Hello, Dover Crabs! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Crabs and Crack Parkal Paranaque. At dahil dyan, meron kayong 5 pitik at 5 soft moves. Hello, Dover Crabs! Okay, this is Pretty Queen Ian Mark. I'm here at the Crabs and Crack. We're inviting everyone to check out the newly opened store at Gapan, Nueva Ecija, and Giginto, Bulacan. See you there!